pinili namin masusi yung mga issues na matatakan ngayon. And you'd be surprised, some of the issues are kind of related to the issues that we have touched in senior high, pero somehow merong kakaiba at fresher approach. And lalo na sa mga mas older generation, you'd be surprised at some of the revelations that we show na issues na kinasasadlakan ng mga Gen Z. Kasi meron kami na-touch na minsan pa, ay, may ganun palang kina-involve ng mga batang to ngayon. It's going to be an eye-opener for a lot of the audience, I think.
Looking forward. Thank you po.
Yes.
Direk Lino, you want to add to that?
Yeah, ako siguro, what's interesting rin yung interplay ng generations. Sa trabaho natin, sa pamilya natin, there's always yung interplay ng iba't ibang mga henerasyon. Parang nung huling beses ako nag-direct, ibang gen yung mga kasama ko. Ito, dealing with Gen Z is very different, and something I learned, no,